Hi guys, welcome to the SQL course. In last video, we covered what is database and file system. Another thing difference between database and database management system. These things we seen in last video, and also types also we just seen the types but not introduced in last video. In this video, we will just see the all the types of database management system. And before going to the types of this database management system, we will see what database management system will follow. Database management system, it will follow the ACID properties. ACID properties means it is atomicity, consistent, and isolation and durability. These things, acid stands for atomicity, consistent, isolation, and durability. Why we need these acid properties? It will maintain the good state in database management system. That's why we will use these acid properties. Acid properties, first one, atomicity. Atomicity is nothing but when we are doing a transaction, sometime database management system failure occur. That time you should have to perform the complete transaction, or it should be completely discard the transaction. For example, when we are doing any payment transaction, for example we are sending a 500 to some other person, that should be sent completely or discard completely. It won't send at all if any failure occurs. That is atomicity. Another thing is consistency. We need to maintain consistency. Means if you are sending 500 rupees, that 500 amount only it has to be sent to another person. More than that it won't send, less than that it won't send. Exactly, you have to maintain the consistency. Another thing, isolation. Isolation means one transaction does not depends on another transaction. It is independent to each transaction. That is isolation. You should not in any interfere of one transaction onto another. Okay. Another thing is durability. Durability means it should be stay in permanently after done transaction. It should be stay in permanent on the database. No need to change. Okay, if any failure or system crashes occurs, then also it should be permanent. That is durability for more time. Okay, these things database management system, these four properties database management system, it has to follow. Now we can look into the what and all the types of database management system. Okay, there are almost all 8 types. One is centralized, distributed, NoSQL, cloud, relational, network, and object-oriented and hierarchical database management system. First, we will see centralized database management system. Centralized database management system is a one server. It is one centralized server, centralized database server. In that server, we will connect users, multiple users. They will connect with the database and they will access. But when you are connecting the database for security purpose, it will ask the authentication for each user. It will provide the authentication. We need to access that database through authentication. Okay, that is centralized database management system. Once centralized system is there, that we need to access through authentication. Okay, next one is distributed management system. Okay, distributed management system means it will distribute the data among different systems of organizations. In that systems, it will connect through communication link. It will connect. What it will make means end user can easily access the data. Okay, next is relational database management system. Relational database management systems, here SQL comes into the picture. It will store the data in the form of tables, rows and columns. Data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, this is structured database management system, and also it follows the tables. Okay, using the relational database system joins, we can join 2 or more tables. That further lectures we will see. Another thing is NoSQL database management system. NoSQL database management system is it is a non-relational database management system. Here graphs will come into picture. Nowadays, NoSQL database management system, it is popular database. Why it is popular means, in relational database system, if you entered any data into a table, for example, if you not filled any data in the particular field, it will save it as null. Here null also consuming the storage space. In NoSQL, graphs will occur. There is no branch will create in NoSQL. Due to that, you will provide the less storage too we will store. Okay, some of data consistency will come into the NoSQL database management system. That's why it is popular. Another thing is, in NoSQL, data is stored in key value pair, and also it will help to graph. That also we also discussed. Okay, next is hierarchical database management system. Hierarchical database management system, it is nothing but it will store a data in the form of parent child relationship. One node is there, parent node. In that, child nodes will create, many child nodes will create, but each child node must having only one parent node. That is hierarchical database management system. Another thing is network database management system. In the network database management system, any number of parent nodes is child node having any number of parent nodes. Okay, this is the difference between hierarchical and network only one parent node, and no, hierarchical is contain only one parent for a child. In network contain more parents for a child. That is the basic difference. Another thing is cloud database management system. Cloud database management system means our data, it will be stored in virtual environment. Somewhere it should be there. We can that those people, they provide some services, computing services like PaaS, platform as a service, and SaaS, LaaS. These things they will provide. For example, AWS nowadays providing the cloud database management system, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud also there. These things will is providing the database management system. Another thing is object oriented database management system. Object oriented database management system means our data will be stored in the form of objects. Objects can be generated by classes. Okay, using class is nothing but blueprint. It is a blueprint of object. That's all guys. In this video we discussed the types of database management system. If you like the video, please subscribe to channel and hit like button. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, bye.